Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. I don't know, long time I not saw no, long time I not post, but we have something for you today. I mean, anyway, we at the fishing hole, can you see that? And I'm about to go renew my fishing license and look for this wire worm that my cousin Zan has been talking about. We're gonna do some catch and release at the Bull River, so stick and stay and let's see what's going on. Alright guys, this is where you get all your fishing accessories, all your fishing tools, all your fishing necessities that you need for outdoors fishing for this summer. So right now I'm gonna look for that wire worm that Zan been telling me about and get some lures, and I already have my rod, so I don't really need no rod. You understand? Y'all can see, you know, a lot of people come here to get their fishing stuff, so I recommend you guys come here and get your fishing stuff too. But anyway, stick and stay because we got something special for you guys. It's been a minute. The winter, trust me, you didn't do a lot in the winter because you don't know how the winter set up. But this coming summer, trust me, we have a lot of contents for you guys. So stick and stay with us. And let me just renew my license and then get back to you guys. You don't know.
Are you heading out?
Yeah, I'm heading out today. Just gonna enjoy the weather. Yeah. Making a video too, because I YouTube.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'll show you my channel in a minute. It's not that popular yet, but it's getting there.
Yeah.
So I'm just showing people the details. Alright guys, these are the wire worms that we were talking about, and I finally found them with the help from my buddy here. He works here at the fishing hole. You know, you could get all your fishing necessities, as I told you before, first part of my video. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through here and select a few of these wire worms because I really do not know what I'm dealing with right now. So take out a few of these red ones. See, 3 of these red ones. What other color can we take? I guess those are for fly fishing. I'll try one of this. I like this one. One of this. Which one?
The one I showed you.
Alright, so I got some wire worms, a few fancy ones, pom-poms and stuff like that. Cheerleaders. Yeah, cheerleading for those trouts. But anyway, so I'm gonna get some weights settled, and that's all I need, and my license is in process up there, so I'm gonna grab that and then shoot. So let me see you guys when we get to the river. See my little bug there from the fishing hole. Yeah man, so that's it. Oh, for once I thought that was my car. I was walking straight to it. Oh, my park. I don't remember where I parked. Okay, so my car over there, sir. I was definitely going towards that car. It's my car, brother. Identical, same thing, you know, but except Jamaican flag right there, Jamaican boxing glove. But anyway, guys, stay with us, and then we're gonna do some fishing and see what happens, you know. Wish us some luck. Don't know. Alright guys, alright, watch out now. Okay guys, so you guys can see what's going on in the background. So we come to a part of the road where it's not too pretty, it's not nice at all. So we're gonna go around here. Good thing we have a couple four-wheel drive out here, you know what I mean? So stay with us and we're gonna venture off over there and find our spot for fishing. So stick and stay with us, you don't know.
You can park over there by your son.
By the sun, yes, that's good.
You see what I mean, doctor? It's not that bad. It's just,
Yeah.
I didn't know how to do it. What Ask them, yo, how do you get there? They never told you.
What's up guys? Alright, watch now. See that? We reached the spot. What happened now, the road was so bad we decided to take one car and we pack up another one car. Everybody, you know, we carpool. You know, we carpool come down so. You know, you could hear the seat belts going off in the car because at that moment we weren't wearing it because, you know what I mean? Never really needed right there. But alright guys, this is the spot. As you can actually see right now, the summer is slowly coming in. It's spring right now as we speak. The grass them not start spring yet, but you can't see it, man. Look on the water, look on the ice, it's all melting up and stuff, so you know summer is right around the corner. Pretty excited for that too, because there's lots more adventure for us to do, you know what I mean? It's Rome Street there, it's Alex there, it's Zan, you don't know. Let's get out in the water. Alright guys, you see what I go on? This is a total different settings, you know what I mean? See the bobber there, a few weights. You got a civil right here, if you can see right here, there's a civil right there. And these are wire worms, you know, fake worm, you're not allowed to use live bait here. So hopefully we get some trout today. See it? Rum shit there, is that over there, so there's the same way. Yeah. NYPD.
NY, they see me come here to check on the license.
No, NYPD, you.
I know.
Rum shit, run!
Quick time.
Alex is ready.
Boys, let's go.
Zan is ready.
What about all this stuff?
Yeah, we'll pack them up, man. We're gonna pack them up and leave. Test the ice, yeah. You're not too bad, you're alright. There's open water there, so you know you gotta be careful. We can't try too close to the ice. Whoa, I'm sinking. Let's get off this ice. Zan, don't go on the ice.
Let me see what happens if I go on.
Sir, don't go on the ice. And if you do go on the ice, go close to the edge. You good? Yes. Go on, son. Go on. Ishinana. Joke thing happen, brother. Alright guys, we're gonna head out to the spot and then wish us some luck, you don't know. Alright guys, so we're still out here. See what I go on. Still have the beautiful sunshine. Got Rome Street up there, so Alex and Zan fishing down there. So wish us some luck. But you don't know this is a catch and release. This is the Bow River. You're not allowed to keep anything out of this river, so you don't know. Anything we catch, we gotta release it. But trust me, there's lots of species of fish in here. So fingers crossed. It's a small one. Fighting like a big one. Look like a rainbow.
Looks like a rainbow. Yeah, definitely. Beautiful catch though.
Yeah, man.
We're still lucky. We're still lucky here.
Nice catch.
Nice little rainbow.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Massive ones here.
Look this way, look this way. There you go.
Massive one, guys.
Alright, give us a beautiful release now. Mr. Lucky. Alright, guys, you saw that? Alex. Alright, get it out there again, brother.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm on.
Thanks, Uncle.
Alright. Alex out there again.
Huh?
Telling the people that you're out there again. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, we catch one already.
I was just saying we're having more luck, but now he's got one now before the next time.
Mm-hmm.
But no, that's it. I think that's what this
Alright. Still out here. Alex just caught one nice rainbow trout. We're still out here. Still, man, give us some hope. One of the lucky guys still roam street over there, so Zan just relax, enjoy the weather, you know. So we're still out here, so wish us some luck. Same way. Zan gonna chill out. All right, then, guys, we're still there. I see it. Looks like Alex got the next one. The lucky guy. Nice one. Yeah, man, bring him in. All right.
It's gonna
It's
jump.
gonna jump. He's fighting though. I got a few bites up there too, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Got a few more bites. It's the next rainbow trout. Beautiful. Next rainbow trout. Good. Alright, guys, Alex got one more. So you don't know a catch and release, as we told you, that's his second catch. And we're gonna get this one in on land and then release it. Beautiful sunshine still up in the sky, and we still have the nice weather, so let's release this one. You know what I mean? Yes, man. Hold on. Give it a beautiful release, you know, a nice release. Catch and release, my people. Rainbow trout. Hold him up again in the sunlight. How beautiful. See that? Let him go now, Alex, the boss. Go on the road, boy. Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, man. Alex is still fishing. I'm done. Didn't catch anything today. Alex got 2 nice rainbow trout. We're hoping to catch a brown trout, but we didn't catch any brown trouts today, so next time. But to keep you guys updated, the fishing season starts May 8th, so we'll be doing more fishing then. Don't know. Yeah man, he's still out there. Him a the lucky guy. But until then, until we meet up again, till our next video, you know, have a blessed weekend. Happy Good Friday, you don't know. Happy Easter to everybody and every family, you don't know. Bless up, one love. Before we go, look at this. You got frozen water on one side and liquid water on the other side. Some water over there too. Kinda liquidy, but still frozen water. That was Alex's last cast. So I'll go ahead home now. Yes man, have a blessed weekend, you don't know. Easy, easy, easy. Lucky. Just seen head alone we see. And the dog grab him. That's crazy. Lucky. Ah, I didn't catch that when he jumped. Bring him in. Nice. Yo. Yeah. All rainbows today. Alright guys, since me not catching on today, I'm gonna release one today. Alright? Calm down, I'm gonna release you.
Right close to the water.
It's recording.
Whoa!
This guy.
Sorry man, I didn't mean to hurt you, okay? Okay, let me give you a better release.
Tell about my life, yeah. Drop a like and please bust a subscribe, my life.